It's your boy Codehova, Fly Combinator. We're going to be pimping Swift starting section 2. We're talking about type inference. So you might have caught me talking about type inference before, but it's like, let's just declare a constant value of an int. Okay? Constant start with let, and this is a int value. And let's do excuse me, make it equal to 1. What we're doing here is we're taking advantage of Swift's type inference. And what type inference does is the compiler, the Xcode program, knows that this constant of int value is an integer because of type inference. Like, what the hell is a inference, right? Dictionary. Inference. I don't even know, right? But inference is a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. So because of this assignment operator is equal to an int, this knows that it's an integer. And type inference is also knowing that, double value is 3.14. It knows that this right here, I'm pressing Alt, it knows it's a double, and it knows that this is an int. So whenever you write Swift code and you're making something, a value, a constant or a variable equal to something, you don't need to worry about declaring on what type of value it is. So explicit inference. So if you want to, I don't know the term, right? You don't really need to know these kinds of things, right? I mean, you do, but you ain't really going to be explaining it. But if you want to explicitly declare a certain constant or a variable as a certain type of value, this is how you do it. It's explicit int. You do a semicolon and then type int equals 5. And then explicit double of double type is equal to 5. So that's when you need to, let's make it 5.0. But even if you just write 5, because you have explicitly declared this to be of type double, if we do the Alt, hover over and press, it's going to be of type double. So it's like with this 5, explicit double divided by 0.5 or divided by 2, it's going to equal a double value. It's going to equal a double value because when you do this kind of operation, this one is a double. You dig? So if we did explicit int divided by 2, it's just going to be 2. See? So that is what type inference is. Type inference is the Swift compiler already knowing what type of value you're assigning to a constant or variable because of the evidence of what that assignment is, right? Right here. It's equal to 1. So equal to integer, equal to double. You dig? So let's keep moving on.